Now the next guy, Anaximander, he was reasoning how could it be water? Because if water was the underlying substance of all things, why isn't everything just returned to water? And he's thinking it has to be something, water has to be one of the manifestations of the Urstoff. It can't be the Urstoff itself. The Urstoff has to be something below our perception or visibility of the physical material world. And so Anaximander said the underlying substance of all things, it's boundless, it's unlimited, but it's also unnameable. We can't even describe or mention what it is. And I can just picture Anaximander's peers and the other Greeks simply saying, that's really clever, Anaximander, but if you don't know what it is, just say so. Don't just come up with these ethereal terms like, oh, it's unknown or unspeakable or unnameable. But if you're familiar with Chinese philosophy, Lao Tzu begins the Tao Te Ching, same time period. The Tao begins with, the name that can be named is not the eternal name. And I just think that's such a fascinating thing. It's like, this is something beyond the physical observation or naming or categorizing of human beings. And I'm not suggesting that Anaximander was a Taoist, but he's tapping into this idea that there are things below the surface that are beyond the perception or knowability of humans. And whatever everything came from is beyond a name, a category, or a description. And I actually love his answer better than Thales, and that would stand even into the 21st century, right? How do you refute the nameless, the boundless, the unknowable? But I love the mystery, and we have that even in the ancient Greek period.